Hi, this is Manjunath Reddy, proprietor of Sai Cadd from Kengeri, Bangalore, India. I welcome you all to today's topic, that is in Sketchup software, how to use tags toolbar. TAGS, tags toolbar. Tags toolbar is nothing but a layer concept in CAD. Layer concept in what we use in the CAD softwares. Okay, let me show that good example. So here I have a blank file. I delete this model image. In this blank file, I wish to go back to here, the right side part, default tray. In this, I wish to go back to components here. In components, I go back to this, select the small in model icon, click on right side here and go to components sampler. In this, I wish to choose here the bench 3D model, SketchUp model bench here. Click on this, drag here to screen. I click on this origin point here and click slowly, slow down to here, couch here. Click on this and slowly come back to the next option, probably here into the picnic table. Picnic table here, I click to pick out here. That's it, over. 3 model done. I go to pan model here. I go to orbit here. I go to zoom here. You know all these buttons. Go to zoom extents here. Okay. Then finally I go back here, view, and I choose shadows here. Shadows. Shadow part is applied. I close back this components. Now here only in the default tray. In the default tray, I wish to expand this tags TAGS. If this is not found on your laptop or computer, just assume that it's closed. There's a small X mark here. I close this. I tags. This is gone. This is gone. How to bring back is go back to window, default tray, and then you should choose your tags. Windows, default tray, tags, TAGS. Click on this. So it's active now. This is working here now. I go click here. Since we have only 3 components here. One is bench, couch, and picnic table here. So what I do here in this tags, can you see this button here? One small button here. I wish to zoom in and show you that here. In this my system here, if I go back to zoom in, okay, I close back this, I go back to, yeah. Now I wish to zoom in here. I mean to say this one here. In the tags, at the button here that says add tag, ADD tag, the circle with the plus symbol here. Slightly zoom out here. I click on this. It's a new tag one is appeared. So I'll say one by one there. I say that picnic table. Picnic table. Enter. Done. Picnic table done. One layer name done. Tag name done. Again I click next one. I say now BENCH, bench. Second name is also done. I click that. Again I click on the same icon, add tags. This I say COUCH. So like this, I can choose as many I want that. Okay, and as my name, I can choose that. Okay, go back to tags and say picnic here. I have done all this 3 here. Picnic table, couch, bench here. Now how to assign this now? What is the use of this tags? What I'll do, first thing is I select the bench here. First example, bench is selected. Go to entity info. Here it is. Entity info. If I click here, if I click on the arrow entity info, and here in text, right now this is untagged. That the component what I have selected is bench actually. It is not yet assigned. So click here. I can choose any one of these 3 now. Any one of these 3 now. Either bench, couch, or picnic table. So that tool belongs to that name actually. So I want this put into bench, this one here. So I click on this. So I click on bench. So now this model, this drawing 3D model component belongs to that name. I click outside. That's all over. I repeat again. Select this sofa or couch. Go back to this entity info. Entity info and choose this tag unnamed and choose couch. And click outside. Finally, I'll repeat the same example for this picnic table. Select picnic table, go to entity info, click on this tag and name, and click on picnic table. Click outside. That's it. Now let us see, let us find out whether it's rightly working or not, whether it is rightly assigned or not. For example, if I go to tags, if I come back to this icon, I think you all can notice here eyeball symbol here, eye symbol. This eye symbol indicates on off, visibility on off now. The bench, you can see the drawing is switching off, switching on. That couch, switching on, switching off. Picnic table, switching off, switching off. So this is the major usage of this tags. I repeat again here, bench, couch, picnic table, all or can be on, off. This is useful when you are working with a very huge drawings. Now some drawings may be temporarily unwanted to you now. When you are working with some area, the file size is very heavy. Such a case are confusional. To avoid those confusional or a heavy file, you can switch off the model, unwanted model at that particular time. There's a major usage of this tags here. You can switch off, switch on that. Okay. So that's the end of this today topic. I hope you enjoyed the session and gained a very good knowledge and how to use of it too. That okay. See you on my next topics. Have a nice day.